Hey love, what's up and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm just going to be showing you how I style my 4C natural hair into a sleek ponytail. I started off by detangling, moisturizing and combing out my thick hair. As you guys can see, this was a whole chore, but this is a very important step. I'm actually supposed to blow dry my hair, but I didn't do that because I was really in a hurry at the time I was making this video. My hair has made a lot of progress in the last 2 years and I'm going to be sharing with you guys every single thing that I do to take care of my hair and make it look this healthy. If that's something you're interested in, do not fail to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you'll always be the first to know each time I upload a new video. So for this hairstyle, I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel and some edge control. I went ahead to slick down the first section at the back. I realized I lost the clip, but then remove guys. Then I took out a little portion in front that I intend to use for my side swoop. Ideally, it's best to work on freshly blown out hair, but since there is no time for that, I just proceeded to do this on my shrunken hair, and guys, it's still going to work out. Here's exactly how I achieved that. The most important point to note is just that you have to work in sections. Do not swoop everything down at the same time. Take the back portion first and then the middle and then the front. It really makes a lot of difference and it makes managing your hair a lot easier. For us who have thick hair, it takes a lot of process in order to make these styles work for us. As you can see, after tying down the first part, I went ahead to do the same thing for the second portion, and now I'm on to my side swoop. After I was done with that, I just went ahead to braid my ends into a ponytail and tuck it in so I could attach my braided ponytail, which is what I'm going to be using for this video. I made this myself. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on how I made this, then do leave a comment down in the comment section and I'll do justice to that. So I just went ahead to tie and secure it with pins to hold it in place, and at this point it was already looking really cute. After that was done, I just gave some extra touch to my side swoop and used my edge control on my edges, tied it down with a scarf for that really flat. Guys, this is the finished look. If you love this hairstyle, do not fail to subscribe and turn on post notification. And then I just thought I should try out this really cute scrunchie I've had in my wardrobe for the longest time, and guys, I love it so much. I think it works perfectly for this hairstyle. So guys, if you'll be trying this hairstyle, let me know down in the comment section and let me know also what hairstyle you'd like to see next. I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.